Richard Fijo, and I'm a Larrakia man of direct male descent. I'd like to invite you to be a part of this initiative today.
Hi, my name's Gareth Benson. I'm the producer and director of Darwin Remembers. We've re-augmented the reality of the stories of service and sacrifice in a 1 kilometre long walk which begins at the Cenotaph behind me and extends all the way to the USS Peary site. Just down the road here. 3.7-inch AA guns that go about 15 foot. Paul, what was your first thoughts?
I just thought, wow.
Over 100,000 Commonwealth troops were taken yesterday a prisoner of war.